Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to add this video to my project, and for example, I'm going to remove this watermark. First, I'm going to duplicate my video like this, and then I'm going to use mask feature to remove watermark. You can go to the mask right here, select add mask, and choose the shape of the mask that you want. I'm going to use the circle mask, and then you're going to take another part of your video that's similar to the part of the watermark. I'm going to choose this part. I think this is the best part to cover this watermark. And then I'm going to go back to basic and drag the watermark to cover, drag the mask to cover the watermark. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. Okay, I think I need to make it bigger so it can be covered fully. And then I'm going to adjust the feather to make it more natural. Wait, where is the feather? Okay, we can go back to the mask, and I think the feather is here. Okay, it's right here. You can adjust the feather. Okay, and I think it's done. Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. This is the final result. And I know guys that this trick won't be able to be applied to all types of video, especially when the watermark is moving, but at least you know the trick. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!